Hello and a warm welcome for stopping by and checking out the course. My name is Crystal Hutchinson Tumala, and this course is entitled A Complete Guide to Past Life Regression. If you have ever been curious about regressing and revisiting a past life, this is very much the course for you. We will go through step by step, and I will break it down into easy steps about how you can do your own past life regressions. In addition to that, we're going to cover something known as partnering regressions, which is very exciting, and you will have the knowledge and skills after you do your own regressions to help out friends and family or anyone else that you want to help so that they can journey to their past lives. We'll also cover things like definitions and the process, and we will talk in detail about the benefits you could expect from journeying to the past lives. As you can tell, we cover a lot, so I encourage you to enroll today, and I will see you inside the course.